Welcome to this 3-bedroom flat for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R2,150,000. A cliché used by property experts is that the 3 most important factors in determining the desirability of a property are location, location, location. This tricolon appears in print as early as 1926. This is so relevant to this property, as the address, the house as well as the secure estate is situated in a housing market that is performing phenomenal growth in the south of Johannesburg. The sectional title unit is situated on a corner stand with ample space for entertaining, and family pets can stretch their legs and enjoy their daily exercise. Open plan family room whereby the furniture is used to demarcate the different sections of the house. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.